Okay.
Okay. Welcome everyone to the community Scrum. Today we will focus on our Trello boards, especially the retention campaigns and also the personal updates or personal tasks. Okay, let's start with the retention campaign, the renew partner contract. Om Rafiq, can you explain to us what's your update on the renew partner contract?
Okay, thank
Hello?
you. Thank
Yeah.
you. Can you hear me?
Yes.
Yeah. So finally, being in Sublab and the Japan is signed the contract. So my update is after I send a message like what I do on Raja Surga and Biladamo. So we will push everything on like Facebook, Instagram. If not, you will stuck on Airbnb only on Booking.com. We will not touch your listing or ever. And then they sign it, and Begin Sublab is sign her hard copy, and then the Japan is sign on online. And then the person is making SLA. That is my person. SLA regarding the misalnya kontrak kan kita send ke partner itu kan 2 bulan before expired. Kontrak send 2 months before the expired. But until the expired time, they didn't sign the contract. So what is the SLA for that? That is I need help for you guys. And then the next one, my action plan is meet UPH and Labome. Maybe on Friday we already scheduled with Tandy regarding that one. I need what I said. I need advice regarding the SLA for the partner who didn't sign the contract until the contract is expired. Maybe I will give to the chair to lead the discussion. Thank you.
Okay, Om Rafiq, do you have any idea to maybe you have some bayangan gitu about these consequences? Do you have any recommendation?
Uh,
Maybe we can compile the recommendation.
Honestly, sebenarnya aku agak susah juga. That's why I'm give it to you maybe to better idea. Jadi kayak gini, soalnya keinginan untuk sign kontrak, keinginan aku bilang keinginan itu kan kita nggak bisa kontrol. Keinginan dalam artian mungkin seperti yang aku bilang sama Tendi kemarin, kalau setelah 2 bulan dia tidak sign, misalnya dia expired tanggal 1 Maret, dan April, Mei, sampai akhir Mei dia tidak sign, kita datang ke dia, bilang bahwa listingnya bakal ke pause karena Bapak tidak komitmen. Karena sudah saya komitmenkan, seperti itu Bapak tidak komitmen, kita akan blok tokitnya, dan kita tidak akan gini kan, karena kita juga perlu komitmen dari Bapak juga. Itu saja sih dari aku sih. Mungkin ada mau nambahkan ideku atau istilahnya dalam tanda kutip apa sih namanya bahasa sistematikalnya gitu loh, mungkin Lilis tahu lah. Kalau aku nggak gini bahasa yang enak gitu loh. Kalau aku sih cuma menurut Lilis gimana?
Tadi kan Om Rafi sudah menjelaskan, misalnya kan 2 months before expiration. Itu apa yang
expired gitu.
Ya,
Jadi 2 bulan sebelum expired itu kan kita biasa kontrak, tidak dalam bahasa yang seperti aku kirim. Mungkin di picture-nya mungkin bisa dilihat, itu aku mungkin bisa dilihatin yang seperti yang aku kirim ke Raja Surga sama Biladamo. Jadi aku tidak kirim seperti itu dulu karena
jadi apa yang bilang
bahwa kontraknya expired, tolong ditandatangani, bisa dilihat dulu. Nanti kalau memang ada pertanyaan bisa balik ke saya. Itu 2 bulan sebelum expired.
2 bulan sebelum expired, Om Rafi sudah menyuruh dia tanda tangan.
Ya, kan kita SLE-nya dua bulan before expired.
Apakah kan belum selesai nih?
Ah,
Kontraknya itu berarti nanti berlakunya setelah on the date of expiration until seterusnya.
ya betul. Jadi dia dalam tanda kutip dia tuh bisa ancang-ancang 2 bulan itu apakah dia mau memperpanjang kontraknya atau tidak gitu loh, Lis.
Oke. Memang speednya memang slow dong. Maksudnya you give like 2 months for them to think gitu kan sebenarnya.
Ya betul. Karena
like one or two weeks before expiration.
Expire gitu loh misalnya. Ya.
Ya, before expired gitu kan. Ya mungkin itu tadi. Coba my suggestion, you can try to make what you've done, yang udah kamu lakukan apa, Om. Nanti dari sana kita lakukan revision. Misalnya example yang berhasil, yang awalnya susah dan berhasil, misalnya selain Villa Damo sama itu ada enggak?
Sebenarnya yang susah itu yang sudah aku dapetin ini, Lis. Jadi ini Raja Surga Villa Damo kan 1 owner.
Ya.
Nah, itu kita udah reach 2 bulan 3 bulan yang lalu.
Coba dokumentasikan dulu stepsnya Om Rafi di sana. Nanti kita bisa evaluate.
Itu yang aku kirim, biasanya itu yang aku kirim dan dia langsung tanda tangan.
Maksud aku gini, dari kapan Om Rafi kontak? Misalnya kontak pertama, respon seperti apa? Kontak kedua, respon seperti apa? Itu harus bikin dokumentasiin dulu, baru bisa bikin SLA.
Dokumentasiin WA aku misalnya.
Ya, boleh WA-nya atau Om Rafi summarize. First, I do this is the evidence WA-nya. Jadi kita bisa identifikasi dari sini yang kita bisa kira-kira improve apa. Misalnya kontaknya oke lah 1 month before expiration biar kita nggak terlalu banyak ngabisin bandwidth mikirin dia nggak terjadi kontrak. Misal gitu, makanya kasih tahu dulu ini today we contact and then 2 months kita kontak lagi. Today kontak, 1 month lagi kita kontak, hasilnya seperti apa, bla 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 bla. Nanti kita bisa identifikasi dari sana. Laggingnya ini sebenarnya karena apa? Mungkin karena masih jauh Om Rafiq ngontak. Jadi ya udah diignore aja ya kan. Kita juga masih 2 bulan lagi gitu misalnya. Ternyata dia tuh baru benar-benar memikirkan mau apa enggaknya ya setelah memang kontraknya benar-benar habis. Let's say kayak gitu. Misal itu makanya kita coba dulu boleh di screenshot. Jadi pertama my steps is this is the evidence. This gitu. Nanti kita bisa coba di tag kira-kira gimana kita bisa buat SLA-nya gitu.
Oke.
Gitu ya.
Nanti aku kasih actionnya yang sudah aku lakuin sama
yang udah tuh.
Mungkin gini. Action yang aku lakuin sampai dia tuh bisa tanda tangan.
Nah, itu dah. Semuanya aku di step-stepin dulu Om. Biar ada visibility dulu, nanti kita bisa buat SLA seperti apa gitu.
Oke. Bisa di komen siapa sekretaris?
Sekretaris. Who's your secretary, Sasha?
Kak Tendi for city secretary.
Tolong dibikin biar aku ingat ya, Mas Tendi ya.
Mas Tendi.
I have a question though. After the contract expired, is it get terminated or is it like just
that's the one that we should formulate, Sasha?
Ya. Jadi setelah kita setelah aku actionnya ketemu buat SLA baru kita celahnya dalam kutip terminationnya seperti apa.
Okay. Kak Tendi, do you have any comments on this discussion?
From me, I think that's already good for the hard partner can sign, and then I believe there are some partner also. Actually, they said close the property for now. So I think for that we can decide it that we want to give them the time or we we decide other decision like that.
Okay.
Hmm.
Okay, thank you, Om Rafiq, for the
Administrate.
explanation. Yeah, Kak Lilis?
Perhaps, Om Rafiq, do you want to put deadline on your task?
Yeah, can you put deadline on today is Monday, right? Next
Yeah,
Monday is my
Yeah.
deadline. No. Next
Pastor,
Monday, next month, aku maunya
next
habis
Monday,
nyepi udah ada, habis
SLA.
nyepi udah ada SLA kalau
Berarti
menurutku.
habis nyepi Selasa.
Habis
Kamis,
nyepi itu udah,
Kamis itu draftnya yang
ah,
dan tuh
Kamis draftnya, Senin kita udah
agak
nentuin SLA.
behind yang going SLA. I will
Berarti,
agree.
berarti kapan nih?
Kan Kamis aku harus at least Thursday I must fill the action what I do, and then SLA must be done on Monday. Karena kan on Monday we will discuss the campaign again gitu.
Apa
Kalau menurut aku sih itu.
Ya,
Yeah, maybe we can put it on the comments so that everyone can remember what's the deadline for this task. Please help
Oke,
us,
ya
Kak Tendi. Thank
dari aku
you.
itu aja sih.
Udah.
Okay, thank you, Om Rafiq.
Ya.
but good progress ya Om Rafiq, congratulations.
Waduh, ini
Makan.
sebenarnya kenapa? Itu aku sebenarnya mau nraktir kalian.
Ya.
Kalau mau ke
Setan.
kalau Lilis mau ke Labome hari Jumat, ayo.
Ih, Labomi, aduh Labomi jauh banget, aduh. Tapi
Udah kamu, you can stop by at base. I will drive you to Labome.
nah,
Mandi langsung.
I never going to Labomi to Single Fin ya sebelahnya ya.
Ya,
I go there with Wayana, KDK and siapa?
Adin.
And there's
Ya.
so many people not wearing masks, and I'm really afraid to go to that place again. And it's like
Ya,
I won't eat,
Ya.
I won't drink.
jadi gini aja nanti kalau ada tamu-tamunya tuh banyak, kita diam dalam kamar aja kita makan di situ. jangan ngumpul sama-sama.
Di rooftopnya sepi kok.
Ya.
Yeah,
Jadi
Okay.
this is my update, so I will update on
Thank you.
Thursday for my action,
Yeah.
and then I need help also on Monday to make SLA. Back to
Okay,
you, Chair.
thank you, Om Rafiq. Okay, so let's move on to the property quality control. For this one, please, Kak Tendi, take your time to explain your updates.
Okay, thank you, Sasha. So my update is, for the inspection last week. From the last week, I got around 5 more property, and then yesterday is 1 more property. So the total property have been inspected is 12. That's in Ubud area, Seminyak, and then Uluwatu and Canggu as well. Also for the recommendation, I had make the recommendation list for the 12 property, and then 11 property have been applied, and then 5 property have been successful implementation. And then for the last guest is Wooden Puri. Since the guest is direct booking, so I asked HR to communicate with the guests for the feedback of the room, and then I also had screenshotted and then documented on the paper property quality control for the feedback from the guests. So all good. And then currently my friction is actually some property want to revise some point of on the healthy protocol maybe. So I will discuss with Sasha. For example, like a face shield, because I think for the face shield, because they said I already use masker, so should I use that again or what? And then also for the glove, because there are 2 glove, disposable glove and then rubber glove. So can I just choose one or have to have used 2 like that? So yeah, maybe I will discuss with Sasha about that. And then the other, I think one more fiction is about the what's called the written healthy protocol. So maybe I will ask Lilis ya, for example. So jadi Lilis gini, so we put the standard that property have need to have the written protocol for the COVID, right? What to do, and then for that written list should from the Bukit Vista is printing and then laminating and then give them property, or we just send the picture
Yeah.
and then they print it and laminating by self like that.
That's question, right?
Ya,
Uh,
ada budget nggak untuk itu atau gimana?
related to budget, basically, first questions, what is the purpose of itu ditempel kan nanti kan ya, atau dipajang lah.
Ya,
What is the purpose of that? Like kayak ini di villa aja, berarti kan kayak notes in the villa aja.
ya notes in villa. Jadi kayak the purpose is we support from the Airbnb juga protokol juga, because on Airbnb we put the highlight that this property using the cleanliness standard protocol. Then we make sure the guests also following the healthy protocol. For example, like using masker, because a lot of guests when they check in they didn't use masker like that. So that will be effect with the staff as well, because the staff healthy is also important like that.
All right, I think like printing one, it's probably like 15,000, right?
Yeah.
One note.
Jadi
Like
kayak for the
10,
guest house it's only one just on the front office gitu loh. Jadi kayak di area umumnya
So one for each property ya,
ya kayak gitu. Gimana menurut?
like that. One for each property. Kalau printnya banyak, I guess 10,000 cukup ya.
10,000
Oh,
per
print.
paper. Kita punya 145.
So 45. Jadi kayak 15 kali 150, let's say. 200 ini apa 2 juta?
200 nggak sampai 2 juta.
15.000, 2 juta kakak, 150
Oh, ya,
dikali 15.000. Mana 200?
Hah? Kok liu saya?
15.000 kan?
200.
15.000 kan dikali 150.
Oh iya.
2
iya 2 juta.
Enggak, kita yang di Jogja gimana caranya yang di Nusa Penida?
I think it doesn't take 15.000 deh, kayaknya nggak sampai 15.000.
Enggak, yang di Jogja kan kita just send aja ininya, maksudnya make sure in Jogja.
Berapa berarti? Like
Yang Jogja.
10.000. 10.000 juga.
Kalau ngeprint sih bisa sebenarnya, tinggal beliin kertas anggaplah 45.000 sama tinta, aku bisa print di rumah. Laminatingnya berapa? 3.000.
3.000, let's say 3.000 tambah 45 ya tadi.
Tinta enggak lah, tinta 40, 100.000 lah tinta sama kertas, sudah dapat tuh 100 untuk ini.
I think gak apa-apa sih ya. Mungkin we prioritize if that like kan ini property quality-nya ini berdasarkan ini juga kan, review juga kan.
Review.
Berarti dia dapat tamu kan. So yeah, I think that's okay, like nggak sekalian kan, maksudnya.
Ya, nggak.
Misalnya per month targetnya berapa gitu kan. It will not shocking I guess. Kalau sekalian baru banyak banget gitu.
Enggak, yang di Jogja pun kita paling minta tolong tim Jogja kan, aku ngasih desain aja, tim Jogja yang ngeprint sama ini untuk dikasih ke partner kayak gitu.
Okay, bisa. But how would you like to make sure that they read this?
Read that by
Read your protocols.
Dari ini sih, dari apa namanya, dari on-site staff bisa ditanya.
Enggak, maksudnya kan the purpose to give the direction on what to use, like use mask and something like that. Terus kan misalnya dia nggak pakai mask, is this guidance to berguna gitu? Maksudnya what would you like to use? Like for example, okay, this guidance we write down in the front of our property that you should use mask when you are outside apa gitu. Maksudnya I mean like this one. Kalau misalnya aku ada sebuah prosedur di villa, sometimes aku baca itu, sometimes aku enggak gitu. How to make sure that they actually read this and implement this, something like that.
Kalau masalah itu sebenarnya kan kembali lagi ke tamunya gitu, back to the guest again. Jadi kita bisa ask by the HR team, misalnya did you read that, misalnya kita tanya gitu. Terus sama yang kedua tuh sebenarnya karena di sini kan juga di dekat di daerah Nusa Dua kan juga sempat kejadian gitu, tamunya nggak pakai kemana-mana dan kena COVID kayak gitu kan. Jadi di back lagi ke ownernya jadinya sama desanya gitu. Apakah sudah diberikan himbauan tamunya untuk memakai masker, udah disiapkan sanitizer. Jadi propertinya akan ditanya gitu sama desa sama adatnya. Nah, kalau kita udah menyiapkan, at least kita udah menyiapkan semuanya di villa. Jadi kita nggak akan salah kalau misalnya ada kejadian. Kita udah memberikan
Himbauan.
gitu. Nanti kembali lagi ke tamunya. Setidaknya kita udah memberikan, ini perlu Pak, kita udah memberikan segalanya kayak gitu. Jadi aman, properti kita tuh aman dari ini juga kayak gitu.
Okay. So the concern is the environment basically ya.
Ya, environment gitu. Jadi kita memberikan himbauan juga untuk tamu kayak gitu.
Ya itu maksudnya kalau misalnya nanti dia tanya, let's say sama siapa gitu ya, upper management. This is the reason why we need to do this kayak gitu.
Ya.
Dan mungkin as additional, kalau misalnya HR tuh kan ngasih per welcome message gitu kan.
Ya, benar.
Misalnya like di attach gitu, soft copy-nya gimana?
Boleh. Berarti kasih link Canva-nya aja ya?
Ya, kayak link ya apapun lah, Canva atau enggak any other form of documents kayak gitu. That would be my suggestion. Like kita bikin juga biar dibaca juga sama tamunya. Ya, yang penting kita ngirimin dulu gitu. Yeah, I think that's my suggestion. Get back to the chair.
Okay, Kak Teddy, don't forget to write it down so that you can follow up with the HAR about the CSC message. Okay, thank you. Do you have anything to explain to us again, Kak Tendi?
All good.
Om Rafiq or Kak Lilis, do you have any comments? No, yeah?
No, yeah.
Okay.
Wait. Can you
yeah?
Can you show the stats? Sorry.
Oh.
Successful implementation. You have 5 ya Kak Tendi. How you classify that you have 5 successful implementation?
Itu ada di paper-nya kan, by review, by guest review.
Dari review berarti ya, dari review. But is there any kind of review atau
positive review?
I mean ya positive review, tapi apakah ada spesifikasi harus misalnya dia menyinggung tentang quality of villa atau apa gitu-gitu?
Aku bisa cari gini sih, cleanliness ratingnya.
Wah.
Dari di reviewnya dia, cleanliness rating, biasanya kan di setiap poin itu bisa ngasih komen tuh, kayak private feedback. Kayak gitu.
Nah, ya mungkin gitu. Maksudnya mungkin nanti akan terjadi pertanyaan, let's say ya, dari HR. Kenapa ini dihitungnya di 2, let's say kayak gitu ya. Nggak apa-apa sih sebenarnya. Cuman mungkin kayak misalnya I'm opening the document right now. Kan kayak clean, cozy, and great location. Kan udah ada aspek clean, let's say. Oke, berarti kan masuk nih di quality of the property. Kemudian misalnya yang kedua nih kan kayak great place and service. Service ada, berarti kalau service kan lebih ke host. Kalau great place oke lah, propertinya bagus. Nah gitu, maksudnya sejenis kayak gitu. Tapi kalau misalnya in case nanti in the future ada pembahasan lebih lanjut lah gitu.
Oh ya, bisa aku pakai rating cleanliness aja sih.
Nah itu boleh juga kalau misalnya bisa dicari detailnya seperti itu.
Ada.
Oh ada ya?
Ada di Ridas, ada di Airbnb langsung juga ada.
Oh ya, tapi is it taking you much of your time?
1 menit.
1 menit, oke. Ya udah, kalau cuma 1 menit, I guess that's okay.
Ya.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, thank you Kak Lilis for the question. Let's move on to the next retention campaign. For this one, I will explain it to you all. Social media engagement. So in March, 3 contents have been posted on the FB group it's in March. The maximum awareness of these contents are 333 awareness from partner. In total, there are 26% engagement rate reached, but it is decreased from the last engagement rate by 6.5. There is also an increase in the actionable insight, and 66.6% of it has been implemented. In total, there are 6 actionable insight and 2 implementations. The friction is that the new schedule of posting doesn't help at all. So the story is, um, I was searching for strategy for the Facebook, and I found that on Facebook the number of engagements are the best around on
Other platform,
wait
you know.
on Wednesday and
Oh,
Friday at uh, 1 p.m. or 12 a.m. something like that. And I have implemented, but there are no
Changes.
difference. It's actually decreasing the engagement. I think it can be applied on our Facebook group. So the action plan is to reach 50 members by inviting all of our C-Talk speakers as well as encouraging our property partners and community experts to post through post announcement posts where I will introduce myself also because I think the property owners doesn't know me. Yeah. Why 50 members? Because actually the insight for Facebook group is opened when we reach 50 members, but we are currently have 46 members. So yeah, that's what I'm going to do. This is the result update. Do any one of you have questions?
I have question.
Yeah.
Sasha, do you renewing the number?
Yes, Kak,
Why?
I have. Renewing the number.
You
Renewing,
reset, reset, reset.
resetting, resetting the number.
Huh?
You resetting
Oh
the number.
yeah. Oh yeah. Because I
Yeah.
thought it's like per month gitu datanya. Is it not?
Okay. Good findings. I mean, we are continuing other stats basically. Yeah, Kak Tendi, ya, we
Um,
continue ya other stats.
ya.
What do you think, Sasha?
So what I think is if we're continuing the previous month,
Mm-hmm.
then it will of course decreasing. I mean, how can we
The tag.
gimana caranya kita bisa
Compare.
mengukur, mengcompare kalau misalnya di bulan sebelumnya sama bulan setelahnya itu ada perbedaan apa gitu. Kalau kita cuman ngikutin dari yang bulan sebelumnya, datanya kayak dilanjutin gitu kan, nggak bisa kelihatan gitu loh Kak. Jadi
Hmm.
yang aku pikirkan itu setiap bulan akan di reset gitu. Every month it will be reset. Ya Kak Tendi.
Hmm, tapi how we will know the performance from last month to this month? Jadi ada nggak kayak
Oh,
misalnya
we
split
actually
kayak,
have the documentation for result updates
tapi kan harus scroll ke
from
bawah tuh kan?
February. Yes, we have to scroll
Gimana
But,
down.
how to
yeah,
visualize easier like
for
bisa.
perhaps for this one, the last yang today,
Mm.
which one would you use to compare the performance? Like
The
the last performance on February or the performance when you reach 303 333 awareness. Do you get my question?
um, yeah,
You
I
get it.
understand.
But
I
yeah, because
think
you said that the performance is not really better, right? After you doing something, what is
yeah,
the reference of saying it's not better?
the reference is
Hmm.
because it's um decreasing for 6.5.
From previous, so I mean, you mean previous
Yeah, from the
report?
previous one. Yeah.
So at the end, how you will compare the February and March performance? Is that the last data report or how is it?
Oh, wait.
Don't worry.
If we compare it to the previous month,
Yeah,
then yeah, it is decreasing.
it is decreasing low. Previously, 42%, right? That's what I
Yeah,
mean.
from the last month.
And then
When we have already post 3 contents, the engagement is 42%. So
okay,
it's decreasing,
and then today,
but the actual volume side is increasing.
actionable insight.
Today,
Okay, but today,
you got 29% of engagement rate.
9 and actionable.
It is actually increasing. And
Okay.
also there are some implementations as well.
Okay, regarding the I think you need to try to detect again, I mean analyze more on in BI. We still use continuous data in BI, but I think if you have another perspective, like you can we need to reset the data so we can see this and this. I'll go to the comments and I need your analysis on which one will you decide to do, continuing the data or resetting the data, only data.
Can
Uh,
you explain, Kak, by continuing the data
mm-hmm.
from BI chapter, what's the um, apa kelebihannya gitu? Apa kelebihannya yang didapat?
Basically, there is a minus and plus. Ideally, we need past 30 months data. Ideally,
Yeah.
pengennya sih pas 30 month, pas 30 days kan, 1 month.
Mm-mm.
Tapi the data is like it's unable, like we haven't get any what is that? Visualization for any campaign to do that. But that's ideally. So we decide to to sum up all of them. What is the reason? It's also a kind of if we're resetting the data, for example, now we post only two in Facebook marketing misalnya. Post only two and then we get like 10 inquiries. It will be like the conversion is very crazy. Or if we post like three in Instagram, we had only two, blah 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 blah. So it's kind of how do I say? We don't have any exposure as what you have. Kayak misalnya posting one, you will have 300 and sekian. We don't really very detail on that. We just count the activity. So we continue that to make the data more make sense. Tapi tetap itu masih tetap salah. No, no big reason for that. Like I can't confirm. That's why I will challenge you to make the analysis and tag me and VD for your result. And then we will discuss it based on your opinion. Aku nggak menyalahkan kamu riset gitu loh. We also we still try to find what is the better format gitu. Do you accept?
I think if we do it in continuity, it's like we are comparing to
You
the
don't need,
previous data from the previous week, right?
you don't need to answer it right
Because
now.
yeah, okay.
Okay?
I'm still trying to make sense of this analysis
Yeah,
thing.
no problem.
Okay.
I like that. I'll tag you here and I need the answer, yeah?
Okay. Okay, maybe Om Rafiq or Kak Tendi have something to say regarding the Facebook group.
Kalau aku sih gini, on my side is mungkin ini ya, kita seperti gini aja sih sebenarnya. I want to make it simple, for example. So maybe you can try to find good analysis seem like what Lily said. Jadi kayak gini misalnya postingnya tentang makanan, berapa yang like, berapa yang komen. Habis itu postingan tentang motor gitu misalnya, berapa yang like. Kita nggak tahu dari postingan yang mana yang sebenarnya lebih banyak ada engagementnya gitu. Kalau menurut aku sih dari my opinion lah. Misalnya gini, aku kasih contoh misalnya tentang cleanliness, protokol cleanliness. Sekarang kita upload hari ini, kita dapat engagementnya misalnya 100%. And the next day, I think is on Thursday, you make a new post regarding the finance, tentang finance report segala macam. Ternyata itu decreasing gitu loh. Itu mungkin yang data-data seperti itu yang kita mau tahu. Kalau menurut aku sih gitu. Karena gini, dari segi itu, on that kind of visualization, we will know what kind of topic really interesting by the owner. Jadi gini, misalnya gini, aku kasih contoh simpel. Orang-orang tuh lebih tertarik tentang ini, ternyata engagementnya gede. Terus besoknya kita topik yang tentang finance, ternyata dikit engagementnya gitu loh. Mungkin itu aja sih. Mungkin kamu ngerti nggak, Sasa?
Iya, ngerti kok.
Aku
dibandingkan gitu kan setiap post-postnya,
dibandingkan,
biar kita cari juga mana konten yang ternyata paling banyak engagementnya gitu kan.
Mungkin dari
birthday content.
ya,
Ini
mungkin
the most
dari
popular
itu kamu bisa
content.
analisa, oh ternyata partner ini lebih suka konten seperti ini. Jadi kamu bisa membuat konten yang similar gitu loh. Itu sih dari aku sih.
Oke, I think Kak Teddy.
Nah, thank you atas waktunya, Bu Sasha. Jadi sebenarnya sebelumnya kan kita udah we had been post a lot of content kan gitu. Jadi kita udah punya data sebenarnya gitu, dan kita juga bisa dilihat dari beberapa itu tuh, kalau dari aku perspektifku sendiri, yang most have engagement itu adalah kayak celebration gitu, seremoni atau apapun kayak gitu. Nah, mungkin from us, instead of we see which content is more liked by partner, why we not put on the satisfaction survey that we ask the partner, hey, what actually you want to heard on the Facebook group, like that. And then, so what kind of content that you want to see, or do you want to like, or you want to comment, like that. Maybe because when we are doing the survey, Sasha will analyze, right? Sasha analyze the survey. Then maybe Sasha, you can make one more table on your analysis, Facebook content analysis, like that. So it's all on the form, Google Form. Jadi kita taruh satu pertanyaan lagi di Google Form-nya. Kayak gitu. Jadi konten apa yang partner mau lihat. Nanti kan pas kamu analisis survei itu untuk satisfaction, jadi kamu juga dapat data untuk kontenmu kayak gitu, Sasha. Gimana menurut kalian?
Sorry, the satisfaction survey is the ones from community or the ones from BI?
From community.
Oh, so I think Kak Tendi, do you already done updating the survey though?
Udah.
Oh, so I can only like give some more questions. Maybe I can give some more questions to you, and you can help to put it on the satisfaction survey.
Sorry, Miss Chair.
Yeah.
What is the problem then that you're talking about? The topics or the stats? The topics. Yang problemnya ini topics berarti kan? What kind of topics you need to post?
Yeah.
Yes, for this one, yeah.
Oh, I see.
It's actually I have already done something like this during my learning time at university. I also asked at what time does
Mhm.
the partners open Facebook,
Okay.
but yeah, maybe we can ask that too.
What time? Like
What time?
previously you said that you found it is Wednesday and also Friday. Where did you get the data?
It's from secondary data, Kak Lilis. It's from the
Secondary.
internet, from another research. Yeah, from another party research. And yeah, it is proven to be not working. Because yeah, as you know, every group, everyone is different. Maybe it doesn't work in our group. So yeah,
Mm.
maybe we can combine survey and also with the insight. Yeah, the
Great.
insight is my main concern right now. So I have to invite 4 more people to the Facebook groups so that I can look at the insight and gain data to maybe help me to
I think your plan was
decide what to do next.
to have them post their own content, right?
Yeah.
Right. Right. I mean, perhaps you can think of the urgency on doing survey of asking what topics you need. Uh, Perhaps you can pivot to ask them like your plan in a Facebook strategy to make the Facebook even more communicative. Like there is a two ways of communication, like from partner sharing information, and then from us sharing information. I think that will be like more clear, gitu, okay? Compared to we only give information. Perhaps if they are willing to post what they like to post, you can detect also from that apa sih yang partner mau post gitu, like it can be as a data juga gitu, if you can make them post
Oh.
their own. Do you understand what I mean? I mean, kalau mereka tuh sampai
Uh,
mau nge-post, it means a big success for you. They
mm-mm.
actually appreciate your apa namanya your media of communication. It's even more than you know what they want gitu loh.
Yeah.
Oh ya,
Perhaps
jadi
So,
sana
so
gitu.
you're saying that I need to focus on the people to people connection, yeah, instead of the
That's your
content.
objective, right? Instead of giving information,
Yeah.
you increase no no you improve the level of objective di campaign ini gitu. If I'm not
For
mistaken.
that,
Yes.
the solution for now is yeah, it's to invite more people, especially the community experts. Maybe they can.
Yeah.
Actually, I have already invite. No, I have already said that I will invite
Mm-hmm.
um, Miss Swati from Indolinen,
Mm-hmm.
but I haven't because we haven't. Kita belum kayak set the ground for the Facebook group that they can actually post the
You
content, right? So I'm still trying to. Today I will, yaitu aku akan ngupload ini kan, apa? Aku akan mengenalkan diriku sendiri sekaligus ngomong ke partner kalau misalnya in this Facebook group, you can also share your own contents, maybe like promotional or motivational. It's up to you. Just make sure that it doesn't melewati regulasinya Facebook gitu.
Sarah.
I will,
Nah, kalau
yeah.
misalnya aku mau nanya nih, kalau misalnya contoh kayak ada partner tuh dia punya all shop itu boleh atau enggak sebenarnya?
Full shop.
Misalnya kan ada kayak baju, apa sepatu itu diperbolehkan atau enggak kayak gitu? Apa cuman hal something yang harus ada
Related gitu
Boleh
loh.
sih kalau menurut aku sih sama kayak apa namanya community Canggu housing sih.
Nah itu dah tadi kan aku kayak ngomong
Sebenarnya itu gini mungkin what is Sasa said is mungkin ada benarnya, mungkin si Sasa mau ngomong dulu bahwa mungkin selama ini perspektif dari partner itu hanya dari kita aja memberikan informasi gitu loh. Tanpa partner itu boleh memberikan informasi di Facebook tersebut. Kalau nanti Sasa let's say nanti kan kamu sekarang melakukan action bahwa kamu akan memperkenalkan diri dan kamu akan bilang boleh apapun nanti, at least yang penting tidak lepas dari regulasinya Facebook. Mungkin seperti ini, mungkin mereka tuh akan mendatangkan the own market, mungkin seperti ini. Mau kasih contoh dah, di Facebook kan kita ada pondok kita, ada Rakarai gitu. Siapa tahu dia mau mempromosikan dirinya sendiri untuk guest house-nya, dan orang luar tuh mau stay di situ gitu, lewat kita juga gitu maksudku. Mungkin aja, boleh kan?
I think yeah, it's okay, but I think the market is different. They can't really market their own property because the members are all property
Ya,
owners.
itu contohnya.
Maybe the other
Bilang kan
products.
contohnya.
Oh ya Om Raffi kan
Under-
sekarang mumpung di Rakarai itu.
Hmm,
Coba suruh Pak Rake post konten
post konten.
Oh, that would be wonderful.
atau lobster
Oh,
ini
misalnya,
aja.
jual lobster atau
Nih.
ikan gitu misalnya.
I have a idea for experiment. Like you di mana Om Raffi sekarang?
Saya di hatimu. Saya di Rakarai.
Rakarai kan. Misalnya kan Om Raffi visit nih. Jadi selfie let's say sama Pak Rakarai, but using protokol kesehatan like using mask dan lain sebagainya. This is Raffi and Rakarai. We visit the property, bla 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 bla. We talk, bla bla. Nanti mungkin wah mau dong di visit lagi, di visit sama Bukit Vista misalnya gitu, ada yang komen asal. Let's say tapi
nggak ada siapa di sini. Saya sendiri.
Nggak ada siapa. Nggak, contohnya siapapun yang Om Raffi lakukan gitu.
Ntar aku bilang coba.
Nah, suruh dia yang ngepost gitu. Sampelnya
I would need some help though to like the the post because I will post it today, right? Also, I think Buati will join today because I will invite her today. So maybe you can comment like, oh, welcome Buati or something like that.
Ya.
I will try to make some connections to
Lilis saja masuk enggak di community group?
Masuk.
Oh, masuk. Kirain enggak.
Masuk. Ada. Okay, we have 4 minutes left. Do we need to stay on this card or should we
Continue. Nanti kita masing-masing komen aja deh.
Ya, komen.
Okay.
Yeah, guys, I would like to invite you to comments to any kind of card yang you have idea gitu ya.
The Sito, I think.
Mr. Chair, dikit lagi. Kak Tandy, for example, if you want to ask me questions related to survey, kayak kemarin, jangan di Slack, langsung aja tag. Lilis, have you flash this? Gitu, kayak di kartunya aja tag. Nanti aku lupa kalau di Slack itu.
Ya.
Okay. So yeah, as on the Trello board, guys. Okay, this for the Sea Talk. Last week we had done the Sea Talk with Ibu Wati from Indolinen, and I have already mentioned that they will get some benefits from it, including joining our Facebook group, and their response is very great. Actually, they said that Bu Wati likes to share some inspirational content. So yeah, the next step to do is to invite her and also the other CTalk, the previous CTalk speakers. That's all basically for the CTalk.
Yeah.
Yeah, Kak Tendi.
Also upload the video. Just need to put the summary. Maybe Sasha, you can coordinate who is the secretaries when this Indolinen CTalk. Ada nggak?
I actually don't know, Kak Tendi.
I see.
This is why I told you guys that I don't really know the process for CTalk from the.
Ya biasanya harus ada yang nyata itu notulen kayak summary-nya gitu, nanti misalnya udah selesai itu langsung summary-nya di-pass ke aku, jadi pas aku ngupload video itu langsung aku tinggal put summary-nya itu aja di description video YouTube gitu.
Yeah, maybe tomorrow when I got the time to actually meet every CTalk members, I can be sure of the flow.
It's personnya ya.
Yeah.
Okay, sip.
Yeah. Okay, please put it on the comments, Kak Tendi.
Yeah.
Thank you. Okay. should we move on to the personal updates?
Partner satisfaction-nya belum.
Ya, Pak Nizam.
Oh, maybe we should move to the second whereby group.
Bisa kok satu
What do you
aja.
guys think?
Apa? Sampai datang dulu
Ya.
semuanya.
Okay.
So my update is there are 2 partner giving satisfaction feedback when I'm doing the inspection. There is Uden Puri and then also, siapa satu lagi namanya? Partnernya, astaga, Uden Puri sama Beautiful Villa when I'm doing inspection gitu. Terus for the new survey, I already send Sasha the collaboration access. Jadi kamu bisa buka untuk ininya result surveinya ya Sasha ya. Itu aku udah kirimin kamu ke email. Aku juga attach attach new linknya ntar di ini di apa description. Jadi kamu bisa mulai analyze untuk yang Februari performance.
Oh yeah. You have already shared it to me?
Yeah, collaboration.
Oh, I think I don't get the email. Apakah? Okay. Thank you.
Baca ya.
Let's move to the Bukit Vista second room, guys. Okay.
Let's move.
Ke kamar sebelah nih.
Kamar sebelah.
Iya.
Oke.
Ini recordingnya di stop atau gimana?